actually on the way home today and I'm very sad. I feel sadness. I'm leaving my best friend, my niece, my sister to go home. The exciting thing is I'm starting my new job and I'll tell you all about that later once I get everything settled. Starbucks, but I think they're closed. I'm just gonna go on and go home. I have my water, so I really don't need anything to drink, and I really don't want to, have to go pee while I'm driving, so I think I'm just gonna go on and get on the highway and head home and see my grandmother, my dad. Some time with my family, but thanks for watching. I hope y'all enjoyed these vlogs. It's been really fun to make and I've had a really great Christmas, so Merry Christmas and Happy New Year.